Viewers, a new vlog, and this new vlog would be on the tour to Mahudan. Right now we are passing through the expressway, Swat Expressway, uh, showing a very good picture of the countryside. Or so, dear viewers, finally we reached to the Swat motorway toll plaza, and from here through this toll plaza we will enter into Aladan Dairy, which is part of Thana. You can see a lot of rush over here. All of them are seem to be traveling towards the Upper Swat to enjoy the summer in the Viewers, right now we are at Mingavara bypass link road. On this direction it is going to Fizagat, and from there onward towards the Upper Swat and Swat Kohistan. Beautiful view. The climate temperature is very pleasing one, in a very joyful scenario right one on the bank of River Swat. You can listen the melodic song of River Swat. Please stay with me. Viewers, you can see the sunset view, the multicolor illustration. Viewers, enjoy the beautiful sunset. Wonderful view of the sunset on the bank of River Swat. Mingavara bypass. Now enjoy this new scene. The clouds removed from the sun, and now the sun is shining, and the rays reflecting on the water surface, representing a very beautiful scene. Viewers, ये bypass link road Viewers, right now we are passing through the Fizagat Park area. On our left side you can see a lot of hotels. It is evening time, and on our left side the Fizagat Park is situated on the bank of river Swat. तो बहुत खूबसूरत मंज़र है, दिलकश मंज़र है, and the tourists are staying here on priority basis at Fizagat. The hotels are very comfortable, restaurants are available, very secure area, and the atmosphere is very pleasant, the weather is very pleasing, and joyful scene. Breeze blowing across of river Swat has made the environment so pleasing. तो आप आएँ, एंजॉय करें. ये आपके लेफ़्ट साइड पे पार्क है, बहुत खूबसूरत पार्क. वाली स्वात ने ये बनाया था और बाद में इसको मज़ीद तरक्की मिलती रही. और हमारे राइट साइड पे होटल्स. नाउ वी आर ऑलमोस्ट एट द एंड ऑफ दिस पार्क. Very beautiful view all around. Viewers, we have crossed Fizagat Park. Beautiful view. The colors are now changing and becoming more darker. Very beautiful view. Viewers, on the right side you can see the darker clouds, whereas on the left side orange color, and these two combination creating a very classical view. व्यूवर्स, ये एक और पार्क, फिजागट पार्क के बाद ये एक दूसरा पार्क है जो एक प्राइवेट कंपनी ने बनाया है, प्राइवेट ओनर का है. काफ़ी रश, काफ़ी टूरिस्ट यहाँ पे. द weather is very pleasant and very pleasant atmosphere all around. People are rushing to spend their Eid holidays because it is very hot summer at Punjab, Peshawar and Karachi. So all the tourists are trying to come to Swat Valley, Deer Valley and other pleasant climate territories to spend their holidays. तो बहुत कलरफुल व्यू है, काफ़ी गाड़ियाँ आप देख रहे हैं. इसकी मानी ये है कि काफ़ी रश है, काफ़ी लोग आए हैं. It's a very good park. So a lot of viewers, you might have enjoyed the video, and please subscribe, watch and share, just as a token of encouragement. Now we are on the trek, and the different view of night time, the multicolor lights used by the different hotel owners. Look at this Suzuki pickup accommodating how many passengers? One of the feet of the area using such a small pickup for the transportation and very heavily loaded by the passengers. So this is Sangota Bazaar. Beautiful view of moon. Now this is actually the spot. From here we are now entering into the Sangota Valley, which is ahead of Mangalwar. And right now we are proceeding towards Gadai Kile, where Akhtar Hussain Khan, Aftab Khan and rest of our friends are waiting for us. Iftikhar Bhaijan is following us in his own vehicle, and I am sitting alongside Atiq Khan ji. We are passing through the Sangota Public School, one of the missionary school located here on the bank of River Swat at Sangota. This is the boundary wall of this Sangota Public School. This is the boundary wall on my left side. Nuns and here to teach the students, and it has a very good reputation in the entire Swat Valley, not only in the Swat Valley, as far as the other part of Pakistan is concerned. They have their own hostel and very good facilities. The school was blasted during the 2009 operation and is now reconstructed.